न सरकार मेरी है न रौब मेरा है, न सरकार मेरी है न रौब मेरा है, ना ये बड़ा सा नाम मेरा है। मुझे तो एक छोटी सी बात का गौरव है, मुझे तो एक छोटी सी बात का गौरव है कि मैं हिंदुस्तान का हूँ और ये हिंदुस्तान मेरा है। वी इंडियन, प्राउड टू बी इंडियन, एंड on this Independence Day, I would like to share some thought and some opinion of my regarding with our country and regarding with ourselves. So this is me Anjali, and today and I want to wish you a happy Independence Day. And today we are celebrating 78th the Independence Day, which we have from very struggles, by just putting efforts. Okay, today we here, guys, remembering our freedom fighters who ever fought for our nation, for our country, and for ourselves, for our freedom. They never they never thought that they would live here with freedom. They only fought for our freedom, for our bright future. They freedom fighters were the great Indian leaders who sacrificed their lives for escaping our country from Britishers, who ever ruled on our country. And in ancient time, our country was slapped just because of our bad mistakes, just because of our insane. So we Indian in the past time struggled so much. So for our freedom, for getting freedom from Britishers, when the Britishers were ruling in our country, just by coming in our country, just by entering a little bit, because we are responsible for providing them opportunity in the past. So that's why we were ruled by the Britishers. So this was the very great level mistake that we Indians avoided. But now we Indians are very courageous. We Indians are very proud to be Indian, and never we never think to sacrifice our life for our country. It's our dignity towards our nation. It's our it's our proud to our country. It's our all the gratitude to those freedom fighters who given us this freedom, that we are living with free. And in this country, India like country, here are too much varieties of living people. And in this country there are diversities you will see and you have seen. And many Britishers, many foreign countries were ruled on India, and by struggling, by facing difficulties, by sacrificing our lives, our freedom fighters, you know, find freedom and gave freedom to us for living free. And we become free on 15th August. And in 1947, we Indian got independence from Britishers, from English. So here we should proud to our freedom fighters. We should always be, always be dedicated to we always be supportive to our country. We always live like a great man. We always put our efforts. We always do something for our nation, because our nation is a beauty of world. And in India, I would like to say we are Indians and we Indians follow Indianship. And being Indian is our responsibility that for a long time how we will secure our freedom from Britishers. It's really important in this era. And today we host a flag and we do Jangan Mangan and we remember all our freedom fighters here. So for in one case I would like to say when someone someone put their words on any app on any stage on at any level, they feel and they all countries blocked our channels just because we Indian follow our Indianship and we Indian proud to be Indian. So when we say like this, सारे जहाँ से अच्छा हिंदुस्ता हमारा, हम बुलबुले हैं इसके, यह गुलसिता हमारा, then other countries, other foreign countries, they become too much, too much not feeling our thought or ideas for just like that we are feeling to be free from those. So it's our duty and responsibility how long till we Indians secure our freedom from the Britishers. It's our, and we Indian proud to be Indian. Today we are showing our nationalities at very great level. In the world we are brightening today just because we have freedom and we can live whatever we want we can. It's totally depend upon us that how we are utilizing this freedom. So we need to give respect our every citizens of our country because they are our they are our brothers and sisters. We should always be very be very open minded in this country, beautiful country like India, because it's our responsibility and duty. So, with this, I want to thank those freedom fighters who ever fought for us, for our freedom, to give the freedom to us that we were ever slaves. जिंद जान मेरी तू ही जहां